BloFin cryptocurrency exchange is a Cayman Islands based exchange that was launched all the way back in 2019. And, it really is one of the core pillars of the crypto derivatives market. In just a few years, BloFin has actually evolved to become a powerhouse for futures and copy trading. And now it's serving customers in over 150 countries with a feature-rich suite tailored for serious traders. So I really love this platform. I give it a 4.7 out of 5. Security measures are really incredible. One-to-one reserves, Fireblocks custody, AI-powered KYT, and also crypto traders, derivatives traders, bot users are all able to use this platform. And also you've got its availability all over the world. Wherever you are. I'm based in South Africa, we can trade on BloFin. Here, this is where whales are made, right? So it is an incredible platform with spot and futures trading, over 400 assets and 350 plus perpetuals contracts and up to 150x leverage. If you want to get started with BloFin, check out the link down below. And if you like the kind of content on this channel, like and subscribe. Let's get into it. They have trading bots, right? Signal bots and TradingView integration is all there. Copy trading, follow elite traders with transparent P&L stats. There's got a demo mode as well. You can do your risk-free trading with up to 50,000 USDT in virtual funds. Security, like I said, none can compare. Mobile and desktop app, also pro-grade interface with TradingView indicators and portfolio tools. You can stake and earn flexible fixed staking on BTC, ETH, USDT. They've got an amazing affiliate program, 50% commission, sub-affiliates and custom referral links. Check out the links down below. Get started with BloFin. The trading experience, in my opinion, is really incredible. Desktop pro tools, trading charts, customizable layout, mobile is intuitive as well on the UI, fast execution. You can do futures, spot, copy trading. All of that is supported, right? So it stands out for lightning fast execution, smooth order placement, advanced order types, market limit, stop loss, take profit, trailing stops, whatever you like, really. And like I said, they have a great security as well. And the fees are quite incredible. They do boast some of the lowest fees in the industry right now. VIP tiers, 0.1% on the maker taker fee, and VIP 5, that's the one of the higher levels. If you're doing, let's say 8 million plus in volume there, you're probably getting as low as 0.01% on the maker, 0.0325 on the taker fees, and that's on your spot trading. On the futures trading, if you're doing the regular transactions on there, you're doing 0.020 on the maker, 0.060 on the taker fees. On the VIP level, up to 500 million in 30-day volume, you pretty much paying no maker fees, and 0.035 on the taker. Withdrawal fees, network only, so no platform fees. Fiat deposits not supported directly, but you can use Apple Card, cards, etc. So copy trading and trading bots also, like I said, it's a major thing on the platform. Great traders to follow if you really want to do derivatives, okay? Master traders executing trades. You can earn up to 10% off your copier's profits if you're a really great trader, right? Copiers, you can follow trades with fixed amounts or fixed ratio modes as well. Advanced features, like I said, there's take profit, stop loss, cross, isolated margin, all of that is available. Signal bots, all are available. And they also have a BloFin earn and staking, where you can earn and stake all your BTC, your ETH, your USDT, and get a really good yield on it. It's not the highest in the space, but it's pretty damn good. So they do have a number of market pairs, on spot. They are really up to almost 130, and futures pairs even more, 350 plus tokens, over 400 tokens. So there's not really anything you can't find on BloFin. KYC withdrawals, you don't really need any KYC if you're just going to do let's say daily withdrawals of up to 20 Gs. And if you need KYC, then obviously if you're doing like $1 million in USDT withdrawals, you need that and higher. Okay, so KYC is definitely optional. This is one of the best no KYC platforms out there. They've got a really great, like I said, bonuses, welcome bonuses up to 5,000 USDT. Check out the link down below. Get started, trade your futures on BloFin. It is where the professional traders do trade. They also have a really great referral program. Like I said, you can earn a massive commission. So I think on the pro side, one-to-one reserves, third-party insurance, great. Low fees, tiered VIP structures, great. Copy trading, trading bots, fantastic. Over 400 token supported demo trading, educational academy, powerful desktop platform, mobile platform. Also, yeah, but on the negative side, I guess no direct fiat withdrawals, no licensing in most major jurisdictions. And they do lack kind of a social trading and spot margin on there, limited customer support languages as well. And yeah, other than that, I think this is a great rate exchange for you to use, especially if you are not in the USA. But I think the USA is now getting really friendly to regulations, so I'm guessing a lot of more platforms are able to operate there without any kind of fear of crackdowns. But I think this is a great one for all the traders all around the globe. Go check out BloFin. It's not just another crypto exchange. It's sophisticated, puts security first, trading-centric ecosystem, really tailored for futures traders, copy traders, and bot lovers. It's a great platform. Go check out BloFin and let me know what your thoughts are. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to learn about decentralized finance, check out DeFi Millionaire. Go to defi-millionaire.com if you want to get started with your Web3 wagering journey. If you like to bet on sports, casino games in the Web3 world, go check out smart contract bets.xyz. That's the best platform you can do your Web3 wagering on. BloFin is the best when it comes to perpetual futures trading. Go check it out. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll drop another video very soon for you guys. Peace, love.